I would like to introduce our first guest and welcome Ms. Hema Malini. Ms. Malini, thank you so much for joining us. My first question to you is, you've seen a lot, you've heard a lot as far as the allegations of rampant drug abuse in Bollywood, of nepotism. I want to ask you, Ms. Hema Malini, where do you, as an MP, as an actress, stand on this issue?
My personal view is, it's very strange now. A lot of talk is going on about Bollywood and trying to ridicule the industry in such a manner that people are wondering, is the Bollywood like that? But I want to tell the people, Bollywood is a beautiful place. It's a creative world it is. This is an art and culture industry. People have made a name for themselves in this industry for the last so many decades. I have been in the industry for so many years. I have gained name, fame, popularity, respect, everything from this industry. And I have great respect for this industry. And such great people were here in this industry who have made this Bollywood. People today are crazy about this industry. They want to join in this industry. They want to come to Bollywood. They want to act in this industry. It's such a wonderful place to be in. So I feel very hurt when I hear the people talking so bad about this thing, about the drugs and things like that. Kahani hota, where it doesn't happen. Like if there is in a crop, if there is any strain there, if you wash it, it will go away. So like that, Bollywood में जो भी दाग लगा रहा है, वो सब निकल जाएगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So Bollywood is a beautiful place. So many artists are there. They have been worked so hard to make this name and fame, and Bollywood is there today. So many great artists were there, like matinee idols of those days were gods in human form, because they are perfected in the art of in such a manner that people used to wonder, this is an artist, ये क्या कलाकार है कि भगवान है? ऐसा इस कदर they used to look up at them. Like you can see Raj Saab, Dilip Saab, Devanand, Tarun ji, Amit ji. They are all the example of Bollywood luminaries who have made Bollywood a synonym of anything Indian. So without Bollywood, there is no India. So anywhere you go out of India, the people are crazy about our industry. So such an industry it is. So today the people are talking so bad about it, and which is very hurting. I can't take it. That's why I just came forward to tell you something. And I agree with what Jaya Bachchan has said today. And they can't ridicule our industry in such a way.
No, I mean, Ms. Hema Malini, the way you are speaking, I kind of get a sense that this seems to have affected you personally. I want to ask you this question. Do you think that Bollywood and Bollywood stars are vulnerable because they are quite often subjected to slander simply because it sells? It is very nice to say things about Bollywood stars because it will sell. It's a sellable commodity.
See, soft target, why you talk about only industry? There are so many industries out there. Everywhere it is happening. Because worldwide this is happening everywhere. So naturally, this little bit must have happened here in our industry also. That doesn't mean the whole entire industry is bad. So the way the people are targeting Bollywood is so bad and other things, it's not that like that at all.
Ms. Malini, in your opinion, I mean, you touched upon this briefly in your first answer, but in your opinion, do you think that these are only isolated incidents of drug abuse and nepotism, and this is being blown out of proportion?
Yeah, I don't support, but at the same time, I'm saying whoever has come up in this industry on their own merit, they are talented, their luck was in favor with them, and they were hard-working people, so they come up. If somebody's son is there or daughter is there, it's not necessary that they have to become a superstar, and it doesn't happen like that. So जिसके पास talent है, जिसके पास luck है, वही आ सकता है इस इंडस्ट्री में।
हेमा जी, मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहता हूं, आप जैसे कि आप इतनी बेबाकी से बोल रही हैं, जया बच्चन बोल रही हैं, बहुत सारे और भी सेलिब्रिटीज हैं, नेता हैं जो अपनी अपनी बात रख रहे हैं. डू यू थिंक मोर बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज शुड कम आउट एंड स्पीक फॉर देयर बिलवड बॉलीवुड, और लोगों को भी सामने आना चाहिए?
अभी देखिए, मैं बाकी लोगों के बारे में नहीं बोल सकती हूँ. मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में इतने सालों से रही हूँ, मुझे इतना नाम, इतना प्यार मिला है कि मैं आज इस इंडस्ट्री को आप ऐसा गलत बात करेंगे कैसा मैं देख सकती हूँ. आई कांट सी इट. इट इज नॉट डन. अभी आके कुछ भी आप बोलेंगे ऐसा, स्पॉइल द नेम ऑफ दिस ब्यूटीफुल इंडस्ट्री. इसके ऊपर क्या क्या लोग चाहते हैं आगे, इतने ग्लोबली हाउ मच पीपल एडमायर द आर्टिस्ट, हमारे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के आर्टिस्ट.
Ms. Hema Malini, before I let you go, my final question. You know, a lot has been said and spoken about Bollywood, the drug nexus, nepotism, particularly this drug cartel. It seems as if, you know, the way it has been made out that you've got Pablo Escobars as actors all over the country. I want to ask you, Ms. Hema Malini, do you think that Bollywood can get its lost respect back? अपनी खोई हुई जो glory है, in your wisdom, do you think that Bollywood can get that lost respect back?
देखिए, बॉलीवुड का नाम कुछ हो नहीं सकता है. उसको कुछ करने से जिस पर दाग लगा नहीं सकते. जो दाग लग रहा है छोटे मोटे कुछ है, वो जैसा मैंने कहा कपड़े में दाग लगता है तो उसको वॉश करो तो निकल जाएगा. बट इतने बड़े बड़े कलाकारों का कंट्रीब्यूशन है. आप देखिए, धर्म जी है, अमिताभ बच्चन जी है, देव साहब है, राज साहब, देवानंद, ऐसे बड़े बड़े कलाकारों ने इस पूरे इंडस्ट्री को बनाया है. और इसमें ऋषिकेश मुखर्जी, विमल रॉय, गुलजार साहब, रमेश सिप्पी, सुभाष घई, ऐसे इतने बड़े बड़े डायरेक्टर्स लोगों ने इतनी अच्छी अच्छी पिक्चरें बनाई है. तभी तो बॉलीवुड का इतना क्रेज है आज. तो उस इंडस्ट्री का आप एक मिनट में कुछ लोग आके उसको खराब कर सकते हैं, ये मैं नहीं मानती हूँ. ये नहीं हो सकता. आवर इंडस्ट्री विल ऑलवेज remain in high esteem.
Hema Malini, thank you so much for speaking your mind. This was a very, very emotional statement from a Bollywood superstar as well as the Mathura MP for the BJP, Hema Malini, where she feels that you cannot do this to Bollywood. Thank you so much for sharing your opinion, your views. It was a pleasure to talk to you, Ms. Hema Malini.